गोंयची जेवणां जेवला फामाद इटालियन रोसोटी पूण सगळ्यां परस रुचीक गोंयची शीतकडी.
Welcome back to another video of the Food Diary from Mom to Son. In today's video, we're gonna be making the most delicious and tastiest veg cutlets. So enjoy.
Who doesn't like vegetable cutlets? Today we are going to present to you the most yummy and tasty evening snack, that is the vegetable cutlets. And here what we are using, I have taken here 2 potatoes, 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, about 100 grams of green peas, and about another 100 grams of cauliflower, a few sprigs of green coriander, and 2 onions, 1 lemon, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, and 1 big fat capsicum. So let's get
First,
started.
let's peel the potatoes, the carrot, and also the beetroot.
Okay, now let's chop the vegetables. First we'll take the potato, we'll chop it quite rough. Just make big chunks of it, like this. Next we chop the carrot. Here we'll make a little smaller cubes. Like this size. Let's cut the beetroot even more fine pieces because it's quite hard. So we require to cook this along with all the vegetables. So we'll make little bit thinner pieces out of the beetroot. This size is perfect. Take a pressure cooker and boil these vegetables. First goes the beetroot, the carrot, the potatoes, cauliflower, and the green peas. Add in this half a cup of water and pressure cook it for 2 whistles.
Few moments later.
Okay, now vegetable has already been cooked. Now let's see, it's perfectly done. Need to give this vegetable a good mash. So I've taken a masher here, and with this I'm going to squeeze in the vegetables and mash them together to make it into a nice paste.
So now mash this really well.
Few moments later.
Now let's transfer this. And now after this is mashed, we're gonna add in this 2 onions finely chopped. It should be finely chopped like this, okay, like this fine. So add in this. Also you're gonna add 1 capsicum finely chopped. Also 1 inch ginger finely chopped and 2 green chilies finely chopped. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Pinch of turmeric powder. And half teaspoon of garam masala. Squeeze in 1 lime. Okay, take a handful of poha and grind them to a powder. So that's how it looks, and now add this in.
Poha is used for binding. In case you don't have poha with you or flattened rice, you can use breadcrumbs for binding the mixture.
And last you add in the green coriander. Okay, now mix this well, and it is advisable to use hand while mixing it, like hand mix it.
Now keep this mixture in the fridge for about 10 minutes and then we'll roll them into nice cutlets and fry. So okay, now let's make the coating for the cutlets. I have taken here a bowl in which I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida and 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in water, not so much, little by little, and make a slurry, a thick slurry.
How it has to be, and now keep it aside. So now take a plate and add in breadcrumbs to coat it. Add little of semolina to add the crunch and mix it in nicely.
Okay, now let's make this cutlets. Take a small ball of the batter into your hand or roll it nicely. Now put it in the slurry Dip it nicely here. And then put it in the breadcrumbs. Use the other hand because your other hand is okay and dry. And fold it nicely into a nice cutlet and keep it aside.
So add little oil, and now we're gonna fry the cutlets in the oil. Okay. So here goes the cutlet.
Okay, now let's turn them. Now you can see the yummy cutlets are getting ready, and remember this fragrance now is so very good, and I tell you the taste is awesome, especially when you add beetroot in the cutlets because they give a nice added sweetness to it.
So now let's plate this up, and we're gonna enjoy these cutlets. So here we go. Your beautiful and tasty cutlets are ready. So the cutlets are now ready. So like this video, comment, share, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, link in description. Okay, so yes, make this now, the kurkurit cutlets, and thank you.